So one of the things I wanted to show you, I am giving you a behind the scenes of everything that we do at Pulse AI Solutions and show you how we leverage AI every day to make things a lot easier and simplify life and make us more efficient so we can focus on customers and people rather than all this other extra stuff. So make sure you like and subscribe. All right. So I put into ChatGPT, I was like, we were kind of upgrading the system, the phone system. We use Grasshopper, and we're changing the brand, the old brand, so we're going to the new brand, the Pulse AI Solutions. So I said, I need some voice scripts for our phone systems when people call Pulse AI Solutions. We need scripts for an extension, sales, and then myself. These scripts need to focus on people leaving a message, and you can tell them to email. That's all I said. So then ChatGPT gave me the script. Thank you for calling Pulse AI Solutions, et cetera, for inquiries, da, 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 da. So it gave me that. So they're like, okay, well, and I don't know why it gave me this in VBNet, but it's fine. And I got one for sales and I've got one for myself. And this is great. Now you're like, okay, well, what's the next step? So in Grasshopper, you can upload MP3 files. So I'm like, oh, does this mean I read them? I'm like, no, because we're Pulse AI Solutions. We're going to have AI read them. So you can use a website called 11labs.io. They're the best ones that are around. And you can take text, copy it, and put it in there. And you can select from a whole host of different names and voices to do the reading for you. So here's an example. So one of the things I just want to point out, and then we'll listen, is one of the things is sometimes in the language. So for example, in here, it says info@pulseaisolutions.com. When the AI reads in this email, it doesn't read it correctly because it's an AI. It's info pulse, it's trying to mash it all together. So just one thing to notice in your script, I have info@pulseaisolutions.com. You have to kind of write it out. So there's times when you use that, that you'll find that you just kind of need to tweak it, but then you can do it. So let's give it a listen.
Thank you for calling Pulse AI Solutions. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. To speak with our sales team, press 701. For all other inquiries, please leave a detailed message after the tone, including your name, phone number, and the reason for your call. Alternatively, you can email us at info@pulseaisolutions.com, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for calling, and have a great day.
All right, so now you see that it's just easy to do, saves you a bunch of time. You don't have to re-record yourself over and over again. So we did that for the operator. We did that for sales. Remember, you got to clean up the sales, the email stuff. But what about my voicemail? So this is my name, and it's got all this stuff information. You can use 11 Labs, and I've done this, where I've actually cloned my own voice. I know, like, whatever, creepy, this, that, and the other thing. Again, I'm a technology person. I'm experimenting. Like, I don't really care. You know what I mean? Can't take it with you. So whatever. So I actually cloned my voice. And so here is I didn't read this. This is the AI using my voice from 11 Labs to do my voicemail. So check it out. Hello, you've reached Mark Perry, founder and CEO of Pulse AI Solutions. I am currently unavailable to take your call. Please leave your name, phone number, and a brief message, and I will return your call as soon as possible. For urgent matters, you can email me directly at mark.perry@pulseaisolutions.com. Thank you for calling, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. So there you have it, using AI to just do your voicemail. These simple little tricks, you do these over and over again, they start to compound, and you really start to get things done. I think a lot of us are stuck in like these mundane tasks. Now, every time there's a mundane task, think about using AI to leverage AI to make it a little bit easier for you throughout the day. So anyway, that's it for me. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.